If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they're back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Reset your internet connection. Unplug your modem and router for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. This can help clear any connectivity issues that may be affecting your matchmaking. Step 4. Update your game. Ensure that Overwatch 2 is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in your game launcher and install them to avoid compatibility issues. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, reach out to Blizzard's customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about the error and any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Matchmaking Error 2026 and enjoy playing Overwatch 2 again. Good luck!